Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-L2520D printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and new options are appear. After that, scroll down. Here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. After that, next option is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Brother DCP-L2520D printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Brother. Open your first link. Whatever first link is from the Brother. Open the first link, your printer name. And official website is open. Here we find operating system. Operating system or OS means Windows. Select Windows. After that, here we find OS version. In OS version, select Windows 10 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, if 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. It's redirect to another page. After that, here we find main options. You can choose two options: full software package. Click on the full driver and software package, or go to the here drivers. In a drivers, we can select printer driver and scanner driver for USB. USB are most IMP. If you want to local connection, then go to the local connection. I want to install by USB, so I select by USB or for USB. Click on that. It's redirect to another page. Click on agree to download, and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and basically this printer driver files is a zip file, and there are two ways to unzip this zip file. First way is right click on it, click on the extract files and extract or unzip that file. Second way is very simple, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes, and unzip process is started. Wait for a few seconds to unzip to complete. Click on OK. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder GDI. Double click on it. Here we find many options or the many files. This is our driver files. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Go to here and select any USB port that you want. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on Havadix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find GDI. Double click on GDI or extracted folder. Double click on extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printer name. From this list, find our printer name Brother DCP-L2520D series. It is a series printer. Find this printer Brother DCP-L2520D. Select the proper printer. Click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on the finish. Next step is printer is properly installed or not. Check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother DCP-L2520D, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.